Children don't smile when they're eating spinach and bread and sabji. When you give them a lollipop or they give them ice cream, they're smiling because they feel happy. So the most desirable, there's 5 different tastes, but the most desirable one is sweet. So there's nothing sweeter than Krishna and Vrindavan and his loving devotees. They're called Madhurya Mahi Bhaktas. Madhurya Mahi Bhaktas means that these devotees, they're made of sweetness. They not only eat lots of sweet Mahaprasad, like all of us, but they actually have the sweetest minds in creation and the sweetest hearts in creation and the sweetest feelings for Krishna. And this is what makes Krishna attractive, his sweetness, his sweet lilas. We say Madhurya Dham Vrindavan, Madhurya Dham Vrindavan, Madhurya Purushottam, Madhurya Lila. The word, everywhere the word madhu is there. Madhu means shahad. Shahad means honey. Honey means sweetness,